preserved. You shall be preserved. Somebody, I decree, God will break protocol for your sake. Somebody, I don't know who God sent to me. Every protocol in your family that said nobody can excel, that said nobody can travel abroad, you are breaking the protocol. Somebody who heard my voice, as this oil drop on your head this night, from now to December, from now to tomorrow, from now to future, when Amrobas is at the front, you will be at the back. When others are dying at the back, you will be at the front. Fire disaster will not be your portion. Somebody say, by the anointing, I am untouchable.
Every fish that carries your money, it could be business, it could be human being. Any fish that carries your money, before Sunday, may you locate the fish.
I speak to you today. May you get what you don't desire. May you get position you don't desire. May you get blessing you don't desire. May you get favor you don't desire. May you get business you don't desire. May you get money you don't desire. Every protocol that needs to break for there to be overflow of resources, overflow of property, overflow of substance, I declare, receive it. This week you are breaking that protocol. Every protocol of smallness, every protocol of littleness, every protocol of smallness, every protocol of littleness, I command the protocol be broken. Be broken. I announce to 10 people, before Sunday you will get something big. What we are waiting for, I don't know who has this word. Whether you are waiting for a call, you are waiting for a job, you are waiting for a business, you are waiting for a report, you are waiting for a response. I declare to you, maybe your business partner is telling you wait. I declare in 24 hours, your waitings are over. Anybody watching me anywhere, receive your healing.
In 24 hours,
your waiting has expired. Anyone that has connected together, any company together that is for my downfall, we declare they go down for our sake. I speak over somebody's life. Whatever they have said in their heart, that let us destroy him and see what his life will become. We declare it will backfire.